everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Liberty Bank account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. The Liberty Bank is the oldest mutual saving bank in the United States, as well as the third largest bank in Connecticut. If you have an account on Liberty Bank and you'd like to log in, then go ahead and open up a web browser first. Before beginning, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started by clicking open a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.libertybank.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Liberty Bank. Now, in order to log into your account, simply go ahead and click on the login button at the upper right corner of the screen, and there will be a pop-up where you can sign into your account by entering your credentials. Start by entering your username in the first text field you see. Once you type in the username, move on to the next field and type in your password associated with the account. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log into your account, and in case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link right below the sign-in box and follow the instruction in order to reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet, click on Enroll and register yourself to a new account, and then you'll be able to log into your account in no time soon after you open an account. Once you have entered all the credentials correct, click on Sign In and you'll be logged into Liberty Bank account quick and easy without any kind of a problem. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.